Today we are going through my January 2025 analytics for a new channel, Baby Registry Reviews. I broke this off from my mommy channel, Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life. So I launched this in January. For January, we got 276 views. That might be slightly off. There's an error there. So we'll see on that. 25 watch time hours and 1 subscriber. So based on this chart, I would say this video performed the best. We got a little spike there and the views and the watch time hours match pretty well. Let's go ahead and go into see more. Oh, and I also want to note, I am not doing shorts for this channel. I'm not dealing with it. It's going to be all long form. I like to sometimes go into content type just to see this view without my videos. So let's go ahead and click a few more tabs to open up here. And again, we're on just January. So 1 subscriber, about 26.6 was my average percentage viewed. Views, 267. Watch time hours, a perfect 25 hours. Average view duration, 5 minutes and 36 seconds. One thing about these baby registry reviews is once I get people on them, they will watch them. Okay, on my other channel, I started doing these. I felt like it wasn't quite the right fit for my channel, so I quit doing them and created this channel. People stick around and they watch them. My problem is getting people to watch them initially. I would think there's a big enough market. People are always having babies. And I know for me, like, you look at videos, you see what products to put on your, on your baby registry. So I don't know what the deal is. Let's go ahead and go into content. So these are the 4 videos that went live. They range from 11 minutes to 26 minutes, almost 27. And that one got me, luckily, the longest video got the most views, which is amazing. And therefore it got me quite a few watch time hours, 16 here. I got 1 sub from my first video. And then there's the impressions and the click-through rate. So the click-through rates aren't terrible. Obviously, I like to see more like a 3%, but none of these are bad. Trust me, my other channel, I've had way worse. So I don't know, it's a new channel and maybe, the algorithm has to figure out what I'm all about. I will say each of my titles has baby registry in it. That's intentional right now because that is what my channel is all about. I am working on building these into playlists. I already have them started. Oh, it looks like this playlist got some views. So all my baby registries are going into this one. There are other playlists as well on my channel, but all of them go into here. So I typically am linking to this playlist. And then let's see, on my viewer gender, all female. Date, if we sort by date, you can just see the watch time hours per day. Like here I got like 8 and 8. Those were my 2 big ones from that second video. We've got my average view durations. Like we've got some that are amazing. This January 30th right here, I got 7 views. People were almost watching for 10 minutes. Down here, there's only 6 views, but people were watching for 8 minutes. Like I could get some good watch time here. And long term, what I'm actually more worried with on this channel is I'm worried about subscribers because people are only pregnant so long. Why would they subscribe to this channel? Because they're going to have their baby and then they just subscribed and they don't need this information anymore. So I'm actually more worried about getting my 1,000 subscribers. I think I will hit the watch time before the subscribers. Let's go to traffic source. I'm just curious. So browse feature, YouTube search. Okay, cool. I'm not overly surprised by that. There's no shorts. I'm not linking through shorts. Overall, I am happy with how this channel is starting out. If we go over into the earn category, I don't always do this on my other channel, but I just thought I would here. So I have 1 subscriber and I have 24 public watch time hours. Okay, so this is my goal of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. So that little bar just gotta keep moving. Yeah, overall, this is the launch of this channel. I plan to do 1 video a week. I launch them on Sunday evenings. I always felt like that's when I worked on my baby registry. We'll see if that changes in the future, but every Sunday there's gonna be a new baby registry video. I review these baby registries on Amazon, go through the items, I give pros, I give cons, just kind of advice to moms that are pregnant and working on their baby registry for their baby shower. I'm very excited to see how this channel does. Like I said, I think once it gets going and I get some views, it's going to be watch time. It's going to be a lack of subscribers. So we'll see. I'm very excited to do this one. I feel like the videos aren't overly complicated to make. That's why I thought I could handle having a 3rd channel. If they were difficult, I wouldn't have done it. I also can choose different things. If I'm having a very busy month, I can pick shorter reviews and they'll end up being shorter videos, like more like 10 minutes versus that one video was quite long. That's because that baby registry probably had over 100 items in it. The more items, the longer it takes me to talk about it. Okay, so I kind of have like a choice on the length of my videos and 1 a week isn't too bad. The editing process is pretty straightforward. I'm sitting in one place during the entire video, no cuts. I'm not worried about doing B-roll. If I want to, great, but if I don't, that's okay. It's a very basic format. So we're gonna see how this channel does. I hope it does well. There's so many pregnant women in the world. You would think it would. To be determined though. We'll see. And I hope to see you back here. I'm gonna do another review in February. Hopefully we take off, we do even better. All right, so let's see what this channel can do.